In this Pro Clip for Helios AIR1, we will show you the basics of programming the timer with the Echo control element. We recommend that you note the operating times and operating levels before programming. To do so, use our Timer Programming Guide form, which can be found on our website. Please follow the link in the video description. You are now in the main menu. Select the menu item Time Settings. You can set the current time and date in the Time Date menu item. You may be asked to enter an access code in order to make changes. This can be found in the Installation and Operating Instructions manual for the ventilation unit. Then continue with the time and date settings. We will show you how to program the timer using an example. We will program the following switching times for Monday. The unit will be operated at the normal operating level from 7 to 18 hours. The ventilation unit will run at the reduced operating level from 0 to 7 hours and 18 to 24 hours. In order to program the first switching time, we call up the Timer Normal menu and program the switching times 7 and 18 hours in period 1. We then call up the Timer Minimal menu and program the switching times 0 and 7 hours in period 1, as well as 18 and 24 hours for period 2. The programming for this example is already complete. Please note, if no other day is programmed, the ventilation will be in standby mode from Tuesday 0 hours to Sunday 24 hours. It is therefore important to program all days on which the ventilation unit should operate. The programming procedure is always the same. In the next steps, you will receive advice on how to program with air quality sensors or a recirculation damper, and how to create a holiday calendar. Timer VOD. The timer VOD must be programmed for the automatic operation of the unit using sensors. If there are no specific requirements for system operation, we recommend programming Timer VOD for every day from 0 to 24 hours in period 1. The Timer VOD menu is only available if air quality sensors have been installed and activated during commissioning. Timer Recirculation Air. If the ventilation unit has a recirculation damper, the recirculation mode must be activated using the timer. Programming takes place on the same principle as the manual operating levels. Creating a holiday calendar. If you have programmed the holiday in a timer, it will be active in the defined holiday period. You can define these in the Holiday menu item. A maximum of 24 holiday periods are available. Define the month and day for the start and stop days for each desired holiday period during programming. In our example, we are only programming one holiday period and confirming the remaining periods by pressing OK. When all holiday periods are defined, you can get back to the Timer menu by pressing the left arrow key. More information on Helios AIR1 can be found on our YouTube channel and heliosair1.com.